name is Sabrina, and today I am here to teach how to grow fruit trees from fruits you buy in store. So today we have this mango seed, and I know it looks bad, but it will be good to plant. And the only thing we need is a paper towel actually, and some spray bottle. And we are going to very carefully wrap this, water it, and put it in a sealed container and wait maybe a few weeks, maybe a month, because it's almost winter. So it might go dormant, but we should see some sprouting very soon. And that's how it looks like. And here I have some other seeds that use a different method. These are cherry seeds, and they need the winter times for the seeds to sprout. So we put them in foil, still with a damp paper towel, and we put it in the fridge for about 3 months. I have my dates here as 1st of July in this foil, and we are going to plant it. So come closer, come closer. We're going to put some earth here. We're going to put the seeds in very carefully because they are super sensitive. And that's how we do it. We should see something coming out of the earth very soon, and just spray a little bit and it's done. So I just want to show you something really cool, which is the results of planting those seeds. This is an oak tree, or an oak seedling from that tree over there. These are lemons that we used once, and this is an avocado. So I really like this kind of experiment, and I'm inviting you to try experimenting with me. Thank you. Bye.